This is Maddie and welcome to Mad Pastry. In today's video, I wanted to show you a very simple way of making rice pudding with no effort whatsoever. I decided to make that video because I had 2 liters of milk going off and I didn't want to throw it away, and that was super easy. I had rice in my cupboards and it barely needed any ingredients and barely needed any of my time. I hope you enjoy and let me know what you think. First, add all your dry ingredients to an oven-proof pot with all the flavorings you require. Then, warm your milk. It does not need to boil, it just needs to be fairly warm. Through the process, add some butter. The butter shouldn't boil, it should just be melted. Add your liquid to your pot and put it in the oven. When the rice pudding is ready, it has a flan-like consistency and a nice caramelized skin at the top. Ready to be served whenever you want. Enjoy!